Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Kailh Box Jade switch. Infamously known for being extremely loud, this switch has reached peak meme potential in the keyboard community. I actually got these switches for super cheap because I bought them through a Novelkeys mystery switch order. They cost me only $16.50 for 110 switches. I thought the mystery switch experience was a lot of fun, so I might try it again sometime. Normally these would cost double or triple the price if you bought them outright, so I definitely got a good deal on them. I'll leave a link to purchase them down below if you're interested. Currently they're sold out on Novelkeys, so I'll also include a KBD fans link as well. The Kailh Box Jade is a clicky switch that features the use of a click bar rather than a click jacket. When we take the switch apart, we can actually see the click bar and gain a better understanding of how the switch operates. On the bottom housing, you'll see the click bar on one side and the box on the other. Mechanically, the box jades are fundamentally different from normal switches. As the stem moves downward, it pushes down on the bar until it snaps away, giving it that mechanical click. Because of the design, the switch will click both on the press and release. To actuate the switch, this tiny green piece is pressed inward by the stem and moves the leaves inside the box. Overall, it's a pretty unique design that helps keep the inside clean. The travel distance for the box jades is 1.8mm to actuate and 3.6 to bottom out. As for force, a 70-gram peak, a 50-gram operating force, and a 65-gram bottom out. On this force graph provided by Hada, we can see some interesting things. The click bar provides extra linear resistance up front, with a massive tactile increase when going over the click. And on the release, notice how low the force graph gets at the 1.5mm mark. It almost touches zero. For context, if it actually did touch zero, the switch wouldn't be able to get back to the top. It would kind of just stay stuck right under the bar. This goes to show that they really created the clickiest switch possible without adding a stronger spring. Quite the accomplishment, if you ask me. Before moving on, remember to subscribe if you haven't already. I have a couple of different series of keyboard content going on right now, and at 10,000 subscribers, I'll be making a Discord server. Thank you for your support. Let's get back to the video. Next, I thought it would be a good idea to take a listen to how loud the box jades actually are by comparing it to a couple of other switches. The only other clicky switch I have currently is the Gateron Blue switch, and I threw in a Gateron Ink Black just to show you guys how much louder a clicky switch is when compared to a linear switch. I'll also include a full typing test later at the end of the video. As you guys can tell, the box jades are actually super loud. In my opinion, these are way too loud to use. Even if you yourself don't mind the sound, I'm sure your family members or roommates will think they're annoying. It's understandable how these switches have reached meme status in the community because they're possibly the loudest switches to ever be produced. However, I don't think the box jades are all that bad in other areas. The click bar in place of a click jacket is a definite upgrade. If you're a fan of Cherry Blues, Gateron Blues, or any of their clones, it may be worth it to try out switches that feature a click bar instead. I think the feeling of a click bar is much more responsive and predictable when compared to a click jacket. The box jades actually have a couple of quieter and more usable variants, including the Box White and Box Mute Jade. I haven't actually used those switches myself, but from my understanding, they use the same click bar mechanism and cut back on the loud, obnoxious sound. If you're a fan of clicky switches, I would start with looking at those options. Okay, now let's listen to the full typing test. The links to purchase Box Jades are down in the description, and remember to subscribe if you enjoyed the video.